that. This is Wendy. I'm from Wanzhi Group. Now we are at Astana Build 2025. These are pictures of our factory. We manufacture different steel products. We have lots of customers all over the world. They trust us and have been doing business with us for many years. They give us good feedback. Our office, workshop, the inspect goods before loading. These are our hot sellings, loading reinforcement. We also manufacture different designs of teams, sandwich panels, PPGI, different colors, different patterns, different surfaces are available. With spundle, without spundle, galvanum steel, cold steel. We have very strict QC system to ensure our clients receive good products. These are our certificates. 9001 certificates. We are also Gold Plus suppliers on Alibaba. Thank you for choosing us. Спасибо!